Okay, let's start by making our rectangle over here. That this was the always, sometimes, never category. So everything is a quadrilateral for this unit. And then we have specifically many kinds of parallelograms. And within it, let's do two that overlaps. What is the most specific figure from all the quadrilaterals?
Square.
Square. So I'm going to write S for square. And there's two shapes that kind of share the quality of the square, which is a rectangle. And then what's the other one? Rhombus. Now, two that are not a quadrilateral or parallelogram are what? Kite. Very good. And what's the other one? Trapezoid. Ooh. So a way to kind of go about the always, sometimes, never. Trapezoid is always a quadrilateral. Trapezoid is never a parallelogram because it's not within it. Okay? So if it's partially covered, it's going to be sometimes. If it's all of it, it'll be always. Okay? So heads up on that. Let's do example number 1 and 8 on the first page. Blake, let's read the instruction above number 1 and the number 1.
Fill each blank with always, sometimes, or never. Consecutive angles of a rhombus are blank complementary.
So consecutive angles, or angles that are side by side. Are they always complement or supplement? They're supplement, so this will be never. All right, Abby, let's read the instruction above number 8 and the number 8.
Tell which, if any, quadrilateral is formed by the same group of equations. A quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides.
So let's actually draw this. We have a quad with two pairs of parallel sides. So here I have a set that's parallel, another set that is parallel. And the best thing that I could say is this shape is called a parallelogram. Could I also draw the symbolic notation that only represents parallelogram as well? You can. So if you're like, hey, I forgot how to spell it, you can always draw that image. It's kind of not so pretty though. All right, on the back, I want to look at number 16. Circle number 16. All right, David, let's read the instruction at the very top and then read number 16, please.
Name the quadrilateral best described by the given information. 3 angles of quadrilateral ABCD are right angles.
So if I give you a 4-sided figure, and 3 of them has to be at 90 degrees, that's going to force it to become what shape? A rectangle. And that is the best shape that could possibly be described by this.